Hello, welcome. Today we will need page number 4 and page number 5. We are in mathematics grade 3. So let's start together. At first we will make the quick review. So let's start together. Review. Write the number in standard form. So we have the first task is 4 tens 3 ones. 4 40 4 tens 3 1 43. After the second question, 7 tens, it means 70. Third question, 1 tens 9 ones. 1 tens 9 1. And the last 200s, 68. And we are finished. After, we have here vocabulary. And what is really important is you must know what is digit. And we have 3: standard form, expanded form, and word form. They are very important, and you must know what is this. It's really important. So let's learn how to explain our vocabulary. This is a place for your topic, and we can write. Learn what we must learn. The symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This means these symbols are digits. And now, very important, numbers are made up of digits. It means all numbers, they are made from digits. Let's look together. On Mr. Kurdistan farm, there are 248 chickens. On the question, what does the number mean? 248. It means we have 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. And what it means, how to imagine this. Imagine we have 2 square, which they are. This square is 100 and this square is 100. It means together they are 200s, while because they are 100 in each small pieces, and there are 100 pieces. Tens, 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. It means 40. And ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you will put together this 100 pieces and this, you will take 1 square. I hope it was clear. It means in 100 square, there are 100 small pieces. Okay. So it means 248 means 200 plus 4 tens plus 8 ones. It's 248. Okay? Really good. But what we must know, you can write a number in 3 different ways. It's the same how I show you here, that this is very important what you must know, okay? It means we are here. You can write a number in 3 different ways: standard form, expanded form, or word form. These 3 forms, please remember. In standard form, it's number, how you can read it in, for example, in supermarket. In supermarket, they wouldn't write for you that's 248. You see in your price what you must pay on your bills, 248, for example, dollars. Nobody will write for you 248 with word. It's standard form. But after we have the standard form. Imagine, for example, about the dollar. Expanded form. Imagine it's this expanded form is all the time with plus. And word form, you must know it's with words. Okay? Now we have a question. What does the number 527 means? What we will make? We will look and we will make something like the same like this. It means you will make 505 the same cube square after 2 tens and 7 eights, 7 ones. Okay, it's word for what does mean. Okay, we can make it together. It's not problem. I will make small place here, and we can try 520 and 7 ones. It means we will make 500, and that it must go hundreds. Yes. 2, 3, 5. That's with hundreds. Okay. The 2 ones, they are tens. And 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it means like this. Check. Use data for now question 1 and 2. Use the table. Okay. Tell the value of digit 3 in number of cows on the farm. We have here animals. And we must look what's cows. See, they are here and they are 137. What's the digit 3? It means, and digit 3 is 10. It means tens. Okay? And after, what is the expanded form for the numbers of doves on the farm? Doves expanded form. Doves, they are 105. And expanded form, it will be 100 plus 5. That's 105. Okay, so we just look in all. So what we must repeat is that you must know what is digit, what is standard form, expanded form, and word form. What are digits? Digits are the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you must know that numbers are made of digits. What is about standard form? There's numbers. Imagine there's dollars, how you must pay. In supermarket, how you must buy something, money. It's standard form. What is expanded form? Imagine you have you must pay 248 and you must give them $200. After they want $40, and after you must give them $8. It means you can write you must give them $200 plus $40 plus $8, and it's expanded form. What you calculate? So I will give them this plus this plus this plus this. And what is about word form? Imagine it's how you speak. Okay, how you speak this 248. And if somebody asks you what's the number, what means this number, you will explain something like this. How we saw with hundreds, tens, and ones. It's something like so model. Okay. Now another how we have to play with this farm animals. It's easy and you must only read what they ask you. So we will try write each number in standard form. What is standard form? We will look here. Oh, sorry. Standard form, it was numbers. So start together. Oh, write each number in standard form. Come. We say it's 100 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 108. After we have here 323 and here we have 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 216. Okay. After we must practice and solve some problems. And we will start, of course. Write each number in standard form. Imagine standard form is from like how much money you must pay. Normal. It means 153. Here is 902 and 103, 103, 611. Okay. Write value of the blue digits. Blue digits is 4. It means 4 tenths. 493, 493, 3, it means ones. And I think we have here 923. This 9 is hundreds. Read this 900s. Okay, look. I must say this number 15, 16, 17, 18. You will make for your homework. And what's number continued pattern 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, it's between there all the time 3. It means we will 15, 16, 17, 18 it will be. What is the expanded form of expanded here? 400 plus 30 plus 2. 430 plus 2, it means Z is correct. Okay, so please 15, 16, 17, 18 make for your homework. Okay. So I hope it was clear for you. You learned something from me and it wouldn't be so heavy for you at school. So please have a luck at school and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.